Lately, I've been seeing this trend in the tech community where people have been 3D printing their own cases. And honestly, I get it. Commercial cases are pretty boring. I mean, it's all the same thing, just with in different colors or heights. At the end of the day, it's just a box. And with 3D printing, you really have complete control of how creative, fun, and functional your case is. I have a 3D printer right next to me. And now I've been inspired. So I want to take this journey to create my own case. We're going to go day by day, learning what you need and if it actually is worth it to create a case with 3D printing. So if you guys want to join me with this, please feel free to follow along. And if you have any helpful information or just tips and tricks for me, please drop them down below. And I'll see you guys when we get